What's going on, everybody? What? Oh my gosh, you're squeaking. Mercy lost her voice. I don't know what happened. She must have been yelling at me or something.
Oh, I wish.
Yeah, you wish. All right, so I'll put captions on the screen for Mercy today because she can't talk. Is that a good thing, everybody? She can't talk, or is that bad? For me, it's bad because I can't hear her, and every time she's like telling me stuff, I don't know what she's saying. So I'm having to ask her like 5 times. Finally, I just said, stop talking. I don't know what you're saying.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Anyway, guys, we are here with some more subscribers coming to visit us from San Francisco. Here they are, guys.
Hi, everybody.
Introduce yourselves to the YouTube world.
Yeah, I'm Dennis from Brentwood, California, and this is my wife.
My name is Cindy.
Dennis and Cindy from Brentwood. Now, is that near San Francisco, you
Yeah,
said?
it's about 40 miles east of San Francisco.
Oh, okay. So you came all the way from Brentwood
correct.
to eat at Papi's Bar and Chill.
Try that famous burger.
Yeah, gonna grab a burger. All right, well, we'll check back with you in a minute and see how that burger is. Appreciate it, guys.
Thank you.
Excited.
All right, guys, we're here with another subscriber here. Johnny Subik's here in the house.
That's right.
That's right. He's been staying with us for a while now, man. How long you been here now?
Since May 3rd.
Since May 3rd, man. So he's going to be here for a little longer, and we're going to do a surprise at the end of the month. He's going to a special place after this.
Yep, where they send all sailors.
We got to go to a special place after he leaves the Drake. We'll update you on where this gentleman's going to. All right, guys. Johnny Subik in the house. Check it out. These guys got some burgers and some wings.
Enormous.
Check those burgers out, guys.
I don't think I can eat the whole thing.
You don't think you can do it? I know you can. I know you can. It's like that little train. What is it? I think I can. I think I can. No burgers were harmed in the making of this video. I can't say that much for the cattle that was provided here for the burgers, but no people were harmed except for the bellies of these two right here. It's going in for it at first bite.
Look at my harap.
There you go. There you go. That was too quick of a response. I mean, you just took a bite and went instantly straight into it.
It's really good.
No, it is good, right? That's one of my favorites, that barbecued, that candied bacon. Now, don't get that stick in there now. You're gonna get stick in there. Yeah, that's your toothpick for later. All right, let's see. She's going for the jalapeno burger here.
Well, she's savoring.
Yeah. She's doing the right thing here. All right, we have the Rhode Island plate now on the wall. What do you think, Mercy?
I love it. I love it.
Screaming it to the rooftops here. Thank you very much, my friend, for bringing that over to us. Adding to the license plate wall, Rhode Island.
Invite everybody to bring some.
Yeah, everybody bring your plates. Mercy says.
Yeah. You put caption.
Put caption. Invite everyone to bring their plates here.
Yes. A little things for bring your plate so we can fill out the wall.
Okay, Squeaky. All right, guys, they have a little to-go box here because they couldn't eat it all. That's for later, right? So how was everything, guys?
Good. Oh my gosh, it was
It's so much.
delicious.
This is the most food I've ever eaten since I got here in the Philippines.
The most you've eaten. All right, big quantities
I
then.
never finished
She never
anything.
finished
But tonight you finished
Tonight
it.
I finished the entire burger.
And a margarita.
And a margarita.
Yeah,
We
right.
Go to the bar because she had it up. So we were gonna go to a live band. So
Yeah, down the street here.
yeah, but she can't. She said she's not able.
Can't do it? You sure? All right.
Maybe tomorrow.
Try it again later. Well, thank you guys. Thanks for coming by and eating.
Thank you for your hospitality.
Yes, sir. Hey guys, you know at Papi's we always aim to please. I've had many requests for a value budget breakfast. You know, everybody's staying at the Drake, 25% off right now of all the regular prices, and they're coming to me at Papi's and they're saying, what kind of deal do you have at Papi's, Gil? We're always thinking of new things to bring out. We got the Cheap Bastard Breakfast here by popular demand. Check this out. If you need a budget breakfast, right here is the answer. The Cheap Bastard. It fit anybody's budget. 99 pesos. You get 1 egg, a slice of toast with some butter, endless service water, and guess what? That egg is cooked in the grease of somebody else's breakfast that could afford a real breakfast. Maybe the guy before you had some bacon, had some sausage. Well, guess what? We're gonna cook your egg in that grease and you're gonna get all the flavor that you would get for $2.99 in a 99 peso budget friendly breakfast right here. Well, here you go, sir, your breakfast.
Thank you so much. You know, man, I came here to Angeles City. I came here, man, with about 1,000 pesos in my pocket. Broke as hell. I heard that they had a breakfast here at Papi's called the Cheap Bastard Breakfast. So I'm here right now enjoying the Cheap Bastard Breakfast for only 99 pesos. Now, if you're a cheap bastard like myself who will come all the way to Angeles City with no more than 1,000 pesos in your pocket, then Papi's is the place for you, baby.
This guy knows where to get his breakfast. That's at Papi's. Only place in town. You can get the Cheap Bastard, 99 pesos. It's all the protein you need. Are we ready, girls?
I'm ready.
Debut of the Drake. How ridiculous, right? What do you think, Frank? Am I ready? Am I ready for the debut of the Drake? Let's do it. All right. Where's he at? Where'd Mark go? Is he in the car?
Yeah, he's in the.
Oh, he's in the passenger seat.
No, he's in the restaurant.
Oh, he's in the restaurant. All right. Hey, we have a new employee here. His name is Francois. Francois is here. Instead of Frank, it's Francois. Oh my gosh. Belly. Let's go. Get it in my belly. There we go. Mark just saw my hat for the first time.
Yeah, I've not seen it. You
He can't get over it. He can't get over it. Oh my gosh.
it's like a cross between Mike Myers and Scottish Ronald McDonald.
Ronald McDonald. Yeah, right. All right. Let's do it, guys. Let's head out. Let's bring this Drake out. Had a lot of you guys out there asking to see some rooms. I know we went through these way back when, showing when we first took over the hotel and started making improvements. But let's do it again. Here's our deluxe room right here I'm in. Got a fridge here. All rooms have the same fridge. We got a 65-inch TV in this room. All the other rooms have smaller TVs for now, but we will upgrade those as time goes on. I'm not sure if we'll do 65s in all the rooms, but because this is the deluxe room, it gets a 65-inch TV. Got a little wardrobe cabinet here with safe, of course. A queen-size bed with a brand new mattress, brand new AC. Got this mood lighting in here, which is very cool. And of course, here's the bathroom, nicely remodeled as well. All fixtures, new hot water heater, got the rain shower, all newly tiled. So that's our deluxe room. Now I'll put the prices on the screen. They change from time to time. Right now, this room goes for $2,200 a night, but it's on special right now because all the rooms are 25% off at this time, and things change from time to time. Of course, check with us. Current pricing when you watch this video, it could change, but we're always running deals right now. But right now it's 25% off all rooms. On to the next room. All right, guys, here's another option for you here on the ground floor. It's a standard A room. This one is $1.7 a night, regular price. Again, it's 25% off right now. Again, here you've got the fridge. Like I said, all the rooms have the same size fridge in the room. A little smaller TV here. I don't know, 32-inch TV or something like that. Queen size bed, split type air conditioner. Here's the bathroom, big shower, big spacious shower. All rooms have hot water heaters, of course, and really good water pressure. Plenty of storage, little places to put your things, drawers. Of course, here's the safe. Little wardrobe to hang some clothes in, storage areas. Little table and chair here. Nice little room. Also on the ground floor. Many of you ask, how many rooms do you have that I don't have to go upstairs? We have 3 ground floor rooms. We have the deluxe, and then we have standard A, 2 rooms. So yeah, we have 3 rooms on the ground floor. This is another option right outside near the restaurant. You come out, you're right here. All right, let's head up to see a junior room. It's our lowest price room at $1,200 a night. That equals out to be around $900 a night right now with our 25% off. Here we got a junior room I'm going to show you. This is one of our budget rooms. It's got a double bed, little table and chair, TV, cable, Wi-Fi, wardrobe with safe. Air con, of course. And here's the bathroom. And the bathroom, shower, very spacious. Hot water heater, of course. Large shower. All of our rooms have very good sized bathrooms in them, no matter what size room. We have a decent sized bathroom. Just to show you guys some choices of rooms we have here at the Drake. Nice, clean hotel, comfortable place to stay, budget friendly. Guys can come and stay for a day, come stay for 2 weeks. Got guys coming in here staying for a month. 25% off makes it an easy choice to make. We're always happy to have you guys come on down and stay with us here at the Drake. Sometimes the best just won't do. Hey guys, I'm here with a couple more subscribers who come to visit us here at Papi's. Check them out. Introduce yourselves, guys.
Tony Russell, this is my wife Verna.
Tony, Verna, welcome. Thank you. They just ordered tons of food here to take home. He said they got some hungry kids at home.
That's right.
And they're soon not to be hungry. They got like 10 items going home with them. I don't know what all you got. Buffalo wraps and chicken wraps and burgers and fries. Oh my goodness. Well, yeah, that's great. Where are you guys from again?
San Angelo, Texas.
San Angelo, Texas. And you've been here a couple weeks already, or about a week? What'd you say?
About a week.
Yeah.
Gonna be here about another three weeks. 3 weeks.
Yeah, 3 more weeks.
Yeah, about
3 more?
3 weeks.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right, cool, man.
Yeah.
So anybody you want to say hi to back home that might see this?
Shout out to everyone in Texas.
Shout out to Texas in
Shout out
general.
to Texas.
All right, man.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you guys stopping by and introducing yourselves to me.
Absolutely.
Thank you, guys.